Hi, we're so excited to help you raise money. Let's get started. On our website, fundraising.littlecaesars.com, click Start a Fundraiser at the top of the page. Scroll down to the orange button that says Start a Fundraiser and click to continue. You'll be asked to sign in as an existing user or as a new user. If you've previously run our digital program, or if you've already created an account from a digital pizza kit purchase, sign in as an existing user. If you've never visited this site, click Create Account. This area is basic information where you'll create a password and choose a security question. Once your account is created, you'll be asked to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll complete the form shown. We'll start with the first section, called Your Fundraiser. Let's talk for a minute about the fundraiser organization field. This will serve two purposes. It will let your sellers and supporters know who is fundraising, but more importantly, it's who will make your profit check payable to, so make sure you can cash it. Enter a start date for your fundraiser. This is the date your fundraiser will go live. You can start your sale today or any day within the next year. Your fundraiser will automatically end 4 weeks after this date. Next, you'll enter your profit goal and the number of people who will be selling pizza kits for your group. Once your goal and number of sellers is entered, you'll see the individual goal for each of your sellers is automatically calculated. Aim high. We recommend a goal of at least 10 kits per seller. When entering your mailing address, double check that it's complete and accurate. This is the address your profit check will be mailed to at the end of your fundraiser, so it's kind of a big deal. Next, you'll complete the chairperson group leader section. Your name and email will automatically fill in based on your login information. Make sure the email matches the email address you used just a minute ago when you signed in or created an account. Feel free to add a co-chairperson if you'd like. We're in the home stretch now. The last step just lets us know how you've heard about us and make sure you've read our terms and conditions. Click Create Fundraiser and you're good to go. If your fundraiser is set to start today, it'll be listed under the Active tab on your dashboard. If your fundraiser starts later, it'll be listed under the Upcoming tab, which you can't quite see completely, but it's right behind this box. Your fundraiser is booked. Wasn't that easy? Check out our next video to see how to announce your fundraiser to your group and invite your sellers to join. If you want a more guided tour, give us a call and we'll walk you through it. Thanks for choosing Little Caesars Fundraising. Get ready for your easiest fundraiser ever.